Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with Tactful Solutions, and this is behind the scenes for my trading session today. I hope that you enjoy.
So /NQ had a huge drop, and the more that NQ drops, so does TQs, right? So TQs is dropping. This is the correlating ETF, triple leverage, and SQs is the inverse. So this one goes up when NASDAQ TQs or /NQ goes down. So really great to be able to see the push and the momentum. I traded it a little bit. I took an open position right now since it's still so bullish. But what I want to talk about is waiting for an opportunity to present itself. Obviously, it's not in favor for overall direction right now on /NQ. But it doesn't mean that the opportunity isn't there. It just means that we have to follow up with it when direction is a little bit more clear. And if it happens today, one of the things that we have to understand is that this thing can remain bearish all day. It doesn't have to reverse today. So it is our job as day traders to take advantage of opportunities when it makes sense. So I have my series of alerts set up here because of the upside that it has if it actually forms a reversal. I just want to make sure that I do my part in getting in when there's actually signs of growth. For now, I'm happy to be in SQs as it's still a little bit more on the bullish side. It's just very overbought. This is why I'm watching my position size and I only have 500 shares instead of having 5,000 shares. With that being said, I'm also very excited because this is again a triple leveraged ETF when it comes down to TQs, and as a day trader, I do see a lot of intraday opportunity if it does end up reversing. If it ends up hitting the middle VWAP, that's around 2%. If it ends up hitting the SMA line, that's around 4%. So just wanted to provide you guys with a quick little breakdown, the opportunity that I see, and to actually see if it ends up going according to plan, if it ends up reversing, to see if we can take advantage of it, or if things end up going south. All right, team, and there we have it. So I'm gonna call it a day. It is 9:50 a.m. So again, market opens here at 6:30. So we've done about 3 and almost 3.5 hours of trading to hit total of $704 profit. Again, just on TQs and SQs. Very happy with how the day played out. So again, my biggest play came out just according to plan. We waited. I made a couple mistakes. I took very small position sizes. It wasn't anything crazy, but as TQs was selling off, again, the overall market was selling off, /NQ was selling off. It just became super apparent to me that, okay, if it does reverse back up, there's a decent opportunity there, right? And I just set my alerts. I waited for the opportunity to present itself. Once we had confirmation, I went in with my full position size and then decided to lock in profits, especially as we got closer to the middle VWAP. It got rejected, continued this descending pattern, and once we got confirmation of the rejection and it broke below the EMA line, then again, when the market sells off, SQs goes up. So this is why I found it to be so effective and so important to understand overall market direction and what goes up when the market goes down. So $275 profit on SQs and a total of $428 profit on TQs. All positions closed $704, and I'm very happy to call it a day. So again, today we hosted our free live trading session. So if you haven't checked that out and you've ever wanted to get a taste of what it's like to watch me trade live, feel free to check it out. It's one of my most recent uploads. I have a bunch of them. I trade live every single day with the Learn Plan Prof group, which is again private, but this at the end of the month, we like to host a free live trading session once every time at the end of the month. So this is what we hosted today. I hope that this video earned your thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section, did you see the same opportunity on TQs for the overall reversal like I did? We're all entitled to our own opinion. At the end of the day, just simply do your part in taking advantage of opportunities that make sense to you. They don't always have to make sense to everyone else. So I appreciate you guys' time. Wish you guys an amazing rest of your day. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.